Hello, welcome to the BioControl course, Integration of AMAG Symmetry with BioStar 2. During this course, we will learn about BioControl, its supported features, how to operate it, an operation video, and finally instructions for setting up the weekend output from readers to connect it to Symmetry access controllers. Let us begin. First, we will see an introduction to BioControl. BioControl manages the communication between the AMAG Symmetry software and the Suprema BioStar 2 system in an intelligent and efficient manner. Transfers Symmetry user creations, modifications, and cancellations to BioStar 2 to perform dynamic management, avoiding redundancies in the loading of information and ensuring that each user's registration is automatically synchronized with all devices. Now let's get to know the supported features by BioControl. Let us go. BioControl synchronizes all information related to new users, modifications, and exclusions. Transfer the following Symmetry employee and visitor data to BioStar 2. First and last names. Date of entry and exit. CSN card serial number. In the case of a new user, the user and card will be created in BioStar 2. If the card number already exists in BioStar 2, it is reassigned to the new user. If changes are made to the user in Symmetry, such as first name, last name, active or inactive state, and date of entry and exit, they will be transferred to the user in BioStar 2. Additionally, if a user is removed from Symmetry, they will also be disabled in BioStar 2. When a user or visitor is disabled, synchronization with biometric devices will occur, removing biometric information from the reader, thus ensuring that the equipment works efficiently in the resolution of digital and facial identification. If the user is enabled again, biometrics are reactivated and synchronized with all devices, without the need to register the user again. After an employee or visitor has been created or modified, the BioStar 2 website can be accessed directly from Symmetry to perform biometric registration. To do this, the Symmetry platform administrator must have pre-logged into the BioStar 2 system at least once, as BioControl keeps the BioStar 2 session active. Now let's get to know how BioControl works step by step. The operation of BioControl is quite simple and practical. The first thing to do is register the user as it is normally done in Symmetry. Then, add the card number and the corresponding installation code to the user. The synchronization process performs the following steps. First, BioControl generates the registration of the card before its assignment within BioStar 2. Then create the corresponding user. Finally, adds the card to the created user. This screen shows us information about the new user created and their card assigned within BioStar 2. To register fingerprints and faces, you have two options. In BioStar 2, you can search for the user on the user search screen and add them from there. And inside the Symmetry software there is a button that, once created the user, it can be clicked, and the system will take us to the BioStar 2 screen, where the user has already been loaded. Here we can see the screen used to record the fingerprint. And finally, here you can see the screen where the face is registered. Next, we will see a video that shows us the BioControl operation.